Risks can affect project schedule and cost, as well as safety, security, quality, technology, among other factors. You can view and customize these categories using the Risk Categories dialog. For each risk category, there is an outcome type, which defines what can actually happen if the risk occurs. Different categories have different priorities. In the Weights tab, for example, you can specify that safety is 3 times more important than duration. This information is applied towards ranking risks in the risk register. To view or update risk properties, follow the default Risk Properties tab. In addition to some predefined risk properties, you can enter any properties you want to include in the risk register. You may want to customize the risk matrix. You can define intervals and their associated labels for all risk categories, as well as updating the number of intervals. The intervals can be uneven. For example, a very low probability of risk could be from 0% to 5%, while a low probability of risk could be from 5% to 15%. You may also adjust the colors of each risk matrix's cell by highlighting one or more cells. The risk matrix can be defined separately for threats and opportunities. Risk categories, properties, and risk matrix settings will then be stored and used for all new projects.